Hey guys, how you doing? It's Duncan here at Holy Basil Thai in Croydon. Now, whilst we are a Thai restaurant, that's not all we cook. We mix lots of different things together as well. We can do food from all over the world. So today I'm going to be making a salad that's not Thai at all. And speaking of salads, there's so many different types of salads out there in the world. You can have a really simple salad of just leaves with a vinaigrette. You could have a complex salad which has got lots of ingredients mixed together. A compound salad is one that has mayonnaise binding it together. You can have a compiled salad where you can layer everything. So a layer of tomato followed by maybe a layer of zucchini, whatever you like to compile it together. Today we're going to be making a really simple salad of roast vegetables with a mustard vinaigrette. Really simple, delicious, really easy. Now, I've got a cauliflower here, very simple. I'm going to put this straight into a stainless steel bowl. I've got some baby carrots, mixture of yellow, purple and orange, and all I've done here is I've taken that baby carrot and just cut it right down the center into two halves, just like that. I've also got some sweet potato, just cut into cubes, and all I need to do now is toss that with some olive oil and a little bit of salt and pepper, just for seasoning. Give that a good toss. And one escaped, but that's okay. Then onto a tray with just a little bit of greaseproof paper. Put the vegetables down. And then we place those into a hot oven, about 180, 190 degrees, for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Right, while those are roasting, we're going to get on some grilled tomatoes by cooking them under a salamander, or in common language, under a grill. So I've got these lovely little cherry tomatoes that are on the vine, and it's really simple. Just a little bit of olive oil on top, and then just a sprinkling of sugar to glaze them, and they will stick to the oil. And then straight under the salamander, and they should get a nice sweet golden crust. Fantastic, look at that. Lovely and golden on top, and when you eat those with the salad, there'll just be this nice sweet pop in your mouth. Fantastic. Wonderful, 20 minutes in the oven, beautiful golden color, absolutely lovely. They're going to be so delicious once they're dressed. Now that all the ingredients are ready to go, it's time to make our vinaigrette while they cool down. Now, a vinaigrette is usually 1 part something acidic, so usually vinegar, and 3 parts oil. Now, the vinegar you use is up to you. You could use white wine vinegar, you could use sherry vinegar, red wine vinegar, balsamic vinegar. And with the oils, you could use an olive oil, you could use a vegetable oil, even a peanut oil. They're all suitable, but as long as we keep that ratio. And then we need to season it to make sure we balance the flavors. So the one we're doing here today, we're just going to be using about a teaspoon and a half of Dijon mustard. And then we're going to be using some plain white wine vinegar. So I'm just going to put in here approximately 100 mils and just whisk that together. Now, with a vinaigrette, you can have a standard vinaigrette which is just poured in and lightly stirred, or you can make a semi-emulsified vinaigrette. When you fully emulsify something, you need egg yolk to bind it together. With a semi-emulsified vinaigrette, you just need to whisk it really fast as you add the oil so that it holds together in suspension, but it won't last any longer than approximately 1 hour. As you can see, it's one color, which means it's been emulsified. Then we add some seasoning, a little bit of salt and some pepper. Some chefs like to add a little bit of sugar as well. They like the sweetness to balance with the acidity and the salt. And then we put that aside, and then we can compile our salad. With the cauliflower, all we need to do is cut that into a few nice chunks. Now this will actually be a warm salad. You don't need to wait for the vegetables to go completely cold. So a warm salad is lovely. And I find personally that a warm salad brings out the flavour of the dressing even more. The cauliflower, the baby carrots and the sweet potato are all tossed together here. We're just going to add some blanched asparagus, just cooked very quickly in boiling water for about 3 minutes and then refreshed in ice cold water. I've also got here some Danish feta, which is nice and soft, creamy and salty flavour to the salad as well. Then just a bit of our semi-emulsified dressing, not too much. You only want enough dressing to just coat everything that's in the bowl. And then gently toss that together. And then simply onto our plate to serve. This is a great salad to have on a nice family barbecue, outdoors, lots of friends, a nice glass of wine. Finishing that off with our sugar glazed tomatoes for a nice colour on top. And that's it. A lovely salad with roasted vegetables and sugar glazed tomatoes with a simple vinaigrette. We'll see you next time for another salad at Holy Basil Thai.